In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best audio quality in BandLab. We'll focus on three essentials: using the best recording setup you can, setting proper input levels, and choosing the right track preset. Together, these give you clean, professional sounding results without frustration. Let's start with your recording setup, because hardware and your environment shape your sound before BandLab ever touches it. Use a dedicated microphone if possible. A good USB mic is a great place to start, and if you have an XLR microphone with an audio interface, that can offer even more control. Avoid using a built-in laptop mic unless you have no other option. It picks up fan noise, room echo, and keyboard sounds, which are hard to fix later. Always record with closed-back headphones. They keep your backing track from leaking into the mic and help you catch issues in real time. Pay attention to your room too. Record in a quiet space and soften it with curtains, rugs, or cushions to reduce echo. A simple positioning tip can make a big difference. Keep the mic about a handspan away from your mouth, angle it slightly off-center to reduce harsh consonants, and use a pop filter if you have one. Next, dial in proper input levels. This is crucial. You want your loudest moments to peak between -12 and -6 decibels. That range keeps your signal clean and strong without risking distortion. In BandLab, arm your track, speak or play at your loudest level, and watch the input meter. If your waveform looks tiny and the meter barely moves, raise the input gain. If the waveform looks flattened or the meter turns red, lower the gain immediately. Clipping sounds rough and can't be repaired later. Use the track input settings in BandLab to adjust the mic gain, and if you're using an audio interface, set the gain there too. Give yourself a little headroom so unexpected peaks don't ruin a great take. Finally, choose the right track preset. Before recording, add a new track and select the type that matches your source, like voice, guitar, or instrument. Then pick a clean preset without heavy effects. The goal is to capture a pure, accurate signal. You can always add compression, EQ, or reverb after recording when you have more control. If you like monitoring with a touch of reverb for comfort, that's fine. Just make sure it isn't baked into the recording. Follow these steps and you'll notice an immediate jump in clarity, consistency, and overall quality in BandLab.